22nd. We're at Paradise Resort. They're very nice. The chef's gonna cook dinner for us, and we're gonna lionfishdivers.com sign the code. Rubbing it there. Wow. Putting breadcrumbs on. Can we do a dose no spice? Dose no spice. Yeah, same. Gracias. See. Okay, so we're gonna do some fry and some grill. So now he's gonna put batter. Wow, look at that. Batter. Whoa. Very nice. Can't see. No spice. Nah, see. Oh, we got lionfish on the grill, fresh, ready. Oh, a little bit of oil. Okay. Oil. Okay, now we're gonna fry. Oh, that's quick. Try to ice the whole fish. ¿Cómo se llama?
Christian Reyes.
Christopher Reyes?
Christian.
Chris Reyes. Ah, nice meeting you, Chris Reyes. Chef Chris Reyes.
Yes, sir.
He's cooking the fresh fish, lionfish. Lionfish, and at the same time we're grilling lionfish. Wow. Christopher's doing a good job. Nice job, Christopher. Wow. Hot back here. Lionfish cam. Spicy. Lionfishdivers.com is in the kitchen in Roatan, Honduras. We forgot to say where we are. Resort with Christopher Chef Reyes. And Christopher is making some beautiful lionfish. And what happens is he's got some on the tray already. Okay. Wow, look at how pretty. This is fried lionfish. Okay. Made some nice cuts in it. We got a nice little salad with it. Wow, they look totally different now. Look at the head. Wow, nice job, Christopher. Yeah, and we got the model, Andrea. And where are we? Honduras?
Roatan.
Roatan, Honduras. And it's
Paradise
November 22nd, 2022. So it's 11,
Lionfish for Thanksgiving.
22. And there's Chef Reyes. Wow. Very nice. How to cook a lionfish. Put some oil on it, you clean them up, and you put them on a grill.
I've seen,
Wow.
like cleaning the fish.
Yeah,
they
very
did
nice.
an amazing job here. They know what they're doing. Like amazing.
Now he's cleaning the dish. So what do you got there, Chef Reyes? They are, ¿cómo se dice lionfish en español?
Pez león.
Pez león?
Pez león.
Pez león. We're gonna have
Pez
pez león for dinner, which is in Spanish. So this is fried pez león, and this is grilled pez león. And then we're getting putting some bananas on and some potatoes and no bananas, no potatoes.
French fries.
French fries. See? Oh, here we go. We got plantains. We got everything. Rice. Nice kitchen. Here comes the chef. Chef's putting popping fritos with our lionfish. Wow. Oh.
here?
Jair.
Jair. Oh, I cut your head off.
Hey you guys.
Where are you from?
I'm from Roatan Island. It was a pleasure with this interview.
Cool.
And let me tell you, making a great job with the lionfishdiver.com.
Oh, this guy's good, man. Wow.
It was a pleasure. Have a great night. Keep doing great like
Thanks.
that.
We're gonna have to bring you a flag, man, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Have a good night, guys.
Okay, thanks. See you.
Bye bye.
And we're in Paradise Beach Hotel, West Bay, Roatan, Honduras. And this is Erica. And she just brought us dinner. And she's bringing it to the table. She's the model today. Wow, very nice. Andrea looks very hungry. Okay, adios.